All right, ladies and gentlemen, Ben Dixon here with episode 152 of the MLM Monday Show. Had a conversation today with some great topics. I was on with a consultant in the space and was asking about if separate systems and tools are better or all-in-one systems. And it's a perfect piece of the discussion to tackle in today's session. If you're watching us live, go ahead and comment below watching live. If you're watching on replay, comment below watching on replay and where you're watching from. So we get to tackle different topics that pop up in the space all the time here on MLM Monday. And today we're talking about this idea of having separate tools, or what people call a best-in-class approach, versus having tools all in one place. So the idea on the surface sounds good, the best-in-class approach. So the best-in-class approach is something where even the company we run at NaXum used to participate in. So we used to say, hey, our marketing system is the best marketing system in the space, so put it on top of other systems and other platforms. And that's what best-in-class says. Best-in-class says that you're going to go look for, you need a commission engine to run a direct sales network marketing company. So you're going to go find the commission engine that fits your needs the absolute best. And you want a marketing system that fits your culture and what it is you're trying to create. So you're going to go find the best-in-class marketing system that works the best. You need an app. You need an online app on iPhones and in your Google Android store. And so you're going to go find the best-in-class app. And then you as the client, the person who's running the direct sales company, is going to work to integrate all those things together so they work well together so that you can get the result you want at the end of the day. That's called the best-in-class, bolt-it-all-together approach that most people think about in the space today. And then the question about all-in-one solutions. Well, what's an all-in-one solution? Well, an all-in-one solution is a platform that already takes those different sets of features that you're looking for, the different feature sets, and already puts them together inside of one platform. So instead of having a separate marketing platform or a separate app or a separate commission engine, it's all inside of one system. So what's the pluses and minuses to both? What is the challenges with both in this space? What's the positives inside of the space? Well, we'll start with best in class and we'll go to unified systems, and we'll talk about the difference on today's show. So in best in class, supposedly you should be able to get exactly what you need. You should be able to pick something that's a little different or unique and kind of make your own technology stack of what it feels like to be a member at your company in best in class, because you can pick and choose what you'd like. That's the big positive inside of the best in class approach. The negative is not just the cost, because you have to then get all of these different platforms to work well together and integrate well together. There's also a cost and a lack of duplication, because there's a lot of confusion with all sorts of different systems people have to log into and different apps they have to download inside. As well, in addition to the cost and the confusion, is the overtime cost of just all of over time as you continue down this path. What you run into in that world is you run into all sorts of challenges over time of, as those different systems upgrade, how they interact well with each other inside of the space. So that's the best in class world of the pluses and the minuses. So why unified systems? And we actually made the move in 2013 to move to all-in-one systems and unified systems, because not only could the cost be better for the client at the end of the day of the true cost of running a platform, but it was all a single system. So it was a simpler experience for the members, only one place to log in inside of the platform. It was all the same database. It was all the same data. So you could, instead of trying to get all these different systems to stay synced up with each other all the time, since they were all in the same place and they were the same platform, it made it a lot easier for people in direct sales companies to even ask questions of their data and to make changes that they want to conflict with other vendors or other platforms inside of the space. And so that's the argument for unified systems, is if you find the right one that services all your needs, then you can have a place and a platform not only that serves you, but is more stable on an ongoing basis and gives you all the info you need to make powerful decisions. It's where we led our company in that direction too. And so is it great to have best-in-class systems? Yeah, it can be a great model for your company, but if you can also miss out on a lot of what's available inside of using all-in-one platforms. If the stuff we're talking about here is Chinese to you and you're saying, man, I just don't understand the difference. We did a webinar for about a dozen direct selling owners. So it was people who own direct sales companies, or some were actually top executives at direct sales companies. And we just made the replay available on just technology in 2020, what to be thinking about in the space. So if you're working on plans to dominate in the space in 2020 and you'd like to see more info, check out the link that I'll put below in the comments right after the live's over. It's something you could powerfully tap into to get results inside of your company today, and it's great information. I want to thank each of you for being on the show today, wishing you all the best as you go out there and conquer and win. We'll talk with you soon. Bye for now.